Tesla's bracket auxiliary light. First, pry this board directly off. There are no screws. After prying it off, the protective plate below is also pried. These need to be removed, then the pedal needs to be removed first. After pulling out the rubber strip, there is also a buckle here. After pulling out this buckle, pull the whole thing out, and then it can be removed. You can remove it completely. Then there is this wireless charger. It needs to be disassembled here because our power supply needs to be connected to the wireless charging plug. The power adapter is connected to the wireless charger. Then there's a set of signal wires. The signal line is connected. It's by the door. Just plug it into the empty socket. This is the power and signal of the controller. The auxiliary blue light of Tesla. First, pry this board directly out from above. Then unplug these two original plugs. Don't plug the light plug back in. For the camera, remove the two screws of the camera. Move it to our mold. Replace it. Then put the mold back in place. After the camera is replaced, we need to use a threading wire from this position inside, and then pass through from this position. After threading the line out from this position, tie the wire. After tying the light wire, and pull it directly. After the side light wire is passed through, we need to pass extension cord to extend a wire and plug it in. After plugging it in, pull the line over. Pull it into the car, then put this line here. In this position, just press the rubber strip back. The right fender is also removed in the same way. First, pry open this board. After removing the clip here, you can take it out. After taking it out, open it here. Then thread the wire through here. The auxiliary light on the right is the same. Then put this line with threading tape from here, and pass it through here. After wearing it, just put it in the car again. After passing the left wire through here, it needs to be connected to an extension cord. Then remove this trim panel from the bottom to the other side. Then connect it to our main control box and plug it in. The bracket prompt light at the back of Tesla. This wire needs to be from the front. This light wire, and press over here. All the way to the front. Go down there. Then go around here. Follow this gap and stuff it inside. And hide it. The light should be placed in the middle position. In the middle of the glass. Then tear off the back glue and stick it on. It must be centered in the middle position. In the middle of the rear glass. Then hide the wires well. The power box of our taillight is on the main control power supply. There is a plug on the power cord. Plug in the power plug of the sub-control. Then the light wire coming down from the E-pillar. Directly insert it next to the power cord. Just plug it into this plug of the taillight. The control box of the bracket auxiliary light is the light on both sides. The left and right sides to the main control box. It's on the front left and right sides. The small one is the power box of the taillight. Be sure to distinguish them, because other lights are different. After installation, fix it first. Glue to the trim of the corner light of the car. Then restore the original car.